Oh my god.
But how has life changed after marriage?
शादी तो ठीक है, बड़े मजे आए. It was a lot
सबको
of
देख के भी
fun.
बहुत मजे आए.
There's just a glow on your face.
Yeah, he's okay. He's cute. I like him. I highly
always-
recommend it, by the way.
Really?
Oh, 100%. I
People
will
are
fully.
these days only recommending divorce lawyers. Which is
There must be rainy days. वो inevitably किसी भी relationship में होते हैं. How did you get past the rainy days in your relationship?
हम कई बार बैठ के अपने फ्रेंड्स की रिलेशनशिप्स देखते हैं और हम एक दूसरे को देखते हैं कि नहीं हम ठीक हैं भाई. ये क्या हो रहा है, हमारा तो फिर भी हमारे प्रॉब्लम्स भी ठीक है.
do you prefer text or voice notes?
वॉइस नोट्स.
See, voice notes are better. Sadhika somehow hates voice notes.
Why?
She's like,
It's so much
because
more
it's-
efficient.
And I feel in your 30s, the one thing that really gives me the ick is long messages. Like, cannot.
एंड वो भी नहीं कर सकती मैं कि हे हाय लिसन
10 notifications at
What
once.
is it? What is it? Like, tell me in one quick message so I can quickly respond. I also hate it when, let me know whenever you have time. I just wanted to talk.
Yeah. If it were up to me, I would opt for telepathy because at this point, I don't want to receive calls. Immediately, you just know. You look at each other, you just know.
Who do you go to if you had relationship trouble?
मैं सबको बता दूंगी जो मुझसे प्यार से पूछेगा कि how is everything going, मैं उनको बता दूंगी.
It reminds me of that meme के थोड़ा पूछने पर सब बता दे रही हूँ मैं कहीं chat GPT तो नहीं.
So I picked up this book and about like a few pages in, like the first sex scene came up and I was like, what? मतलब मेरी दुनिया ही it tilted on its axis a little bit. मेरे Kindle का वो brightness कम कर देती थी, font कम कर देती थी if I'm sitting in a flight कि किसी को पता ना चल जाए that what am I reading.
Recommend one book that I should read.
First ever romance book?
Yeah.
Do you like fantasy?
Yeah.
She likes fantasizing. If it counts.
How dark is dark romance?
In Does It Hurt?
Are you okay?
Somebody who's very vanilla. This was
Yeah, but it's not for me also.
yeah.
Rouge is your most favorite city. So let's talk about your second most favorite city.
Geneva से आप बस लेके you can cross over to France at the foothill of Mont Blanc. There's a small village called Chamonix where Frankenstein is written. But I fell in love with that town.
Are you a foodie?
Yeah, fully.
Yeah.
Love it. Love it.
कहाँ का क्या अच्छा लगता है आपको?
Their handle's called Nepali Tales.
Okay.
It's the best momo I've eaten in India. It's the best momo. But please eat the momo.
Hi Prajakta, welcome to IDEVA.
Hi guys, thank you so much.
How are you today?
I'm good and I'm even happier after finding out that you're Sadhika and Radhika and you're not related by blood. Even
Yes.
better, you all are best friends.
Yes.
Which I think is so cute, dude. I love that.
Oh, thank you so much. We're
We call
sisters
it-
by choice.
Yes,
Love
we
that.
call it Sanjog.
Yeah.
Joke.
Anywhere we go, and everybody's like, how did this even happen?
Yeah.
Like, how did you guys plan your names? Are you guys sisters? Are your mother's best friends?
Yeah, because you think like it's twins.
Yeah.
Like the
Correct.
minute you hear this, you're thinking it's twins.
Correct.
Yeah.
But I think I love explaining that. A lot of times we've been encountered with a very that, oh my god, you guys are kidding. Okay, now tell us your real names. Because what were the odds that you're best friends and your names rhyme? But I think
But so cute,
Yeah.
dude.
yeah.
Are you all like bachpan se best friends? What's
Yes.
Okay.
Not bachpan teenage. We were in 7th when we met.
Which
so
is
it's been
bachpan
7.
only,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
15 years and counting.
Oh, very
That sort of
sweet.
thing,
Touch wood.
Yeah.
Touch wood. I can't touch it. Can you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so Prajakta, how was your day today? You had a nice cover shoot. What was it like today for you?
It was so good. It's also my first time doing a cover shoot for IDEVA. I have never done that before, so I was very excited. Then again, it's always nice to work with the team. The photographer today, Ajay Kadam, like I said, I've always loved working with him. I was really looking forward again. And it was fun only, यार. मजे आए. 3 बड़े अलग-अलग looks करे. I don't think I've ever seen myself look like that. Like the way that I was dressed, most of it, I think other than the blazer look, everything else was very different. So it was nice. I had fun.
So, very curious to know, it's a weekday. And here you were looking all glamorous, changing clothes.
For
having a
exactly 3
team.
hours and then I've come back to this.
We do that too. I think after a certain age, comfort is like everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you have a team, you have a stylist, a publicist, all of, all these people. And now you're sitting and doing this interview with us. Is this your everyday? What does an average day in Prajakta Kohli's life look like?
I think that's my favorite part about my job, that no day looks like another. Like yesterday was all day of meetings and writing. I spent 4 hours in a writing room yesterday. I spent 3 hours pitching my writing to someone that I hope works out. It works out with. And then I went and I met friends at another. Like Kusha had her part. I mean,
Yeah, underneath.
yeah, she was celebrating underneath, and I was so happy to be there. So that was yesterday, and today I woke up and I got here and I'm here and I'm sitting. And tomorrow is I'm working from home all day, and in the evening we're going out. I haven't hung out with Prashank in a really long time, although we live together now. But now we have plans, so I like that no 2 days are like.
Similar.
Yeah, they're not like
And
each
there's
other.
surprise or excitement.
It's very
still.
different. It's very different. और ये एक हफ्ता भी यहाँ पे है because we're in the middle of shooting Mismatched. तो अगले हफ्ते I'm gonna go away for a few weeks to again shoot. So that will be very different from
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
So it's nice.
So you keep hopping from real life husband to on-screen paired boyfriend.
Yeah.
yeah. From Rushank to Rishi.
Yeah.
yeah. But how has life changed after marriage for you? Or
Uh,
has it?
See, now I've been, मतलब Rishank और मैं, we've been together for 15 years now. We were very young when we got together. I think it got so much better क्योंकि we had never lived together all these years. So I think for us, suddenly वो बड़ा नया था. मतलब शादी तो ठीक है, बड़े मजे आए. 2-3 दिन के वो everybody came and we met our whole family and all our friends were there and it was a lot of
सबको देख के
fun.
भी बहुत मजे आए. The reels that we
Yes.
saw.
It was
of you
quite nice.
dancing.
The internet song
I
was
loved
so
it.
cool.
It was
Especially
quite
when you were dancing at your mehendi, I think. There was
Yeah.
this one song and you were just so engrossed in
Yeah.
lip singing
With
and
the,
dancing.
I think red dupatta of sorts and you
Oh, yeah,
dancing.
yeah,
So
yeah.
it's really fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was
That
dancing on
and-
Jhingat.
Oh, yes.
That's like
yeah.
that song,
Yes.
yeah.
And I love that one also where you're dancing on that Zindagi Barbad Ho
Yeah,
Gaya
that
wala.
wasn't
It's like,
supposed to
how
come
did it
out.
even occur to you to use that song? Like nobody could have thought. And so Prajakta, you know, that whole thing was,
Was
like
it so Prajakta or was it
Prajakta
7
coded.
mimosas? It was one of the two. But yeah, it was fun. I think the fun part is living together. क्योंकि वो हमारे लिए बड़ा नया था कि oh, we're waking up next to each other every morning and every night we go home and we don't have to talk on the phone. We can just sit and chat. और पहले जब शादी हुई उसके आई थिंक 9 दिन हमारी छुट्टी थी शादी के बाद. देन उसके बाद 1 हफ्ता उसके बाद उसने भी काम शुरू कर दिया, मैंने भी काम शुरू. तो वो 1 हफ्ता हम बैठ के we used to order food at 1 in the morning and we would sit and we would gossip and we would go through pictures and we would talk about things, like we would talk about everything. We would set the house up. All of those things I had never imagined would be so much fun. So I think touch wood, it's going. It's
That
good.
was so nice.
It's
Touch wood.
fun, touch
Yeah.
wood.
You have such a nice glee on your face
Yeah.
while you're talking about it.
And
It's so
every
heartwarming to
every
see.
time. And to think like people say that, after a certain point things fade away, the charm goes away, but then, you've been in this relationship for so long.
Yeah.
And every interview that I've watched of yours where you're talking about your husband and boyfriend, there's just a glow on your face.
Yeah, he's okay. He's cute. I like him.
So cute. So cute. It's like the relationship is still going on, right? It's like it's still not a marriage. Like the girlfriend boyfriend charm
No,
is still
actually, we
there.
quite enjoy the husband-wife bit
Yeah?
of it. We quite enjoy it. I think I don't think I was friends with him till we got married.
Okay.
तब तक बड़ा वैसा था कि no, हम girlfriend boyfriend हैं. And that relationship has always been strong, although it was a roller coaster overall. But I don't think we were friends.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
It's very interesting.
Because हमको तब उससे ऐसा लगता था कि no, but you are my girlfriend or you are my boyfriend. We never thought of it as a friendship. I think after we started living together, I think now we're friends. So maybe that has also changed.
Such a beautiful take.
Yeah. And also surprising.
Yeah.
Because maybe we haven't been married yet. So,
Yeah.
like there's...
I
there's
highly
always-
recommend it, by the way.
Really?
Oh, 100%.
One of the very few people in this time and age who are recommending marriage,
Yeah.
honestly.
I
People
will
are
fully.
these days only recommending divorce lawyers, which is
Oh, no.
scary for me as a single mom.
No, if you found someone that you, again, I mean, this is a new lesson for me that you can be friends with.
Yeah.
Like one of that I mean, obviously it's stupid to expect you're going to be 100% in love with this person at all times. मैंने पहले भी ये बोला था ऐसे. There are so many days when I love him but I don't like him. And I'm like, okay, today we don't hang.
Yeah.
या कि आज नहीं बन रही, नहीं हो रहा. But when you find that person जिसके साथ even when I don't want to be with you right now, you be in my vicinity. मतलब तुम रहो उस कमरे में, मुझे बात नहीं करनी तुमसे, लेकिन तुम बैठो यहाँ पे. If you find that sort of comfort that you keep seeking in someone who gets you, I would highly recommend it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Too much fun.
As single women who are we're influenced by the internet, right? And internet is always propagating all bad things about love and relationships. It's so heartwarming and I think essential to have people around you who actually advocate for love and marriage,
Yeah.
because it's very few, and it's very rare to see people who actually enjoy the perks of true love.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's nice to see that, okay, abhi bhi, there's hope and there's scope.
Oh, fully. I think there definitely is. I think a little bit luck also for me. Because I genuinely think that he had to bear far more than I had to.
Yeah.
Because of how life, I mean, our life is crazy too. Like, how do you handle this? How do you
Yeah.
explain this to somebody? Ki, I can't plan vacations. I can never make a plan with you.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm living with the guy and I haven't gone out for dinner with him in 2 months. It's crazy. हम रोज रात को दाल चावल खाते हैं और फिर यही बात करते हैं कि कभी तो जाएंगे बाहर कुछ तो करेंगे प्लान तो इतना बड़े दिनों से चल रहा है tomorrow that's happening
Yeah.
after so long. So it's also luck for me a little bit, but
Luck and hard work, I
yeah,
feel.
yeah, with him, 100%. But
Because
it's
relationships are
definitely
work.
there. It's a lot of work.
It's by luck that you meet somebody nice, but
Yeah.
it's work that keeps
Oh,
the
it's
person,
a lot
right?
of work. उससे तो आप मतलब उससे वो तो कोई वो ही नहीं है आर्ग्यूमेंट ही नहीं है उस चीज़ पे. I think it's a lot of work, and I also think it's a lot of patience.
Yeah.
You know, like sometimes working on it is not going to do anything, but like if you patiently just wait for the storm to pass,
Yeah.
might just help.
Yeah. Do you also, when you guys, whenever that a couple might fight, do you also pick and choose your battles? Because a lot of times when a couple fights, they also realize, कि, okay, this is something that irks me, but it's not worth making a fight or fighting with each other over.
I think I've definitely learned that. He's a lot more patient.
Okay.
I have learnt it because I grew up a single child. I have not grown up with a sibling. I'm not used to living with somebody who's my age, who's I've lived with my parents. तो उनसे तो नहीं होती थी मेरी लड़ाई क्योंकि डर भी था. इससे मैं लड़ लेती थी बहुत ज़्यादा. I would not think. I would pick every battle. Every battle is mine. Like I would fight on everything with him. And then it has taken me also a while to reach a point where I'm like, okay, so I'm getting there. Hopefully I'll eventually pick my battles. Right now, every
Battle is
Is
come
mine.
on. Bring it on.
So tell me something, Prajakta. You dated the guy for 14 years. Now you've been married for a year to him. There must be rainy days. वो inevitably किसी भी relationship में होते हैं. How did you get past the rainy days in your relationship?
मेरे को लगता है ना the only thing that worked, honestly I don't have any pearls of wisdom in this because I genuinely also feel relationships are so different. मतलब हम कई बार बैठ के अपने फ्रेंड्स की रिलेशनशिप्स देखते हैं और हम एक दूसरे को देखते हैं कि नहीं हम ठीक हैं भाई. ये क्या हो रहा है हमारा तो फिर भी हमारे प्रॉब्लम्स में भी ठीक है. Or we'll see a couple that we know and we'll be like, oh, that was a good way that they handled this. Maybe we should do that. So I think it's so different for everybody. The only thing I think subconsciously the two of us never could get ourselves to do is to break up. To be like कि नहीं चाहिए. मतलब गिव अप नहीं किया.
वो moments नहीं आई.
बहुत मोमेंट्स आए बट मेरी नहीं हिम्मत हुई कभी करने की या मेरी कभी हिम्मत नहीं हुई बोलने की कि चल अभी आज से खत्म नहीं करना ना उसकी हुई. एक दो बारी वो हुआ था कि लेट्स टेक अ ब्रेक और फिर एक घंटे में नो लेट्स नॉट टेक अ ब्रेक. नहीं हम सॉर्ट कर लेंगे. I think we were also very young. I mean, I was 18, he was 22. What did we even know generally?
There's such a beautiful age gap though.
Yeah.
4 to 5 years I feel is like ideal. Like I would want
Yeah,
somebody
it's
who's
good.
5 years older
Yeah.
at least. That's so nice.
तो हमने भी मतलब वो हो के गलतियां कर के we've now reached a point where actually communication is easier for us where a lot of things जो पहले मुझे लगता था कि यार कैसे बात करूँ इसके बारे में अब बड़ी आसानी से हो जाती है. I think time also helps you with that.
Yeah, fair. You know, every time you say, and you've said this twice till now, कि we were both young. It just reminds me of Taylor Swift's song. So the moment you say we were both young, I have that, you know,
When I
background
first saw
audio.
you.
Yeah, exactly. When I first, and there'll be an edit cut out of it. For
And how
Prajakta
romantic because she
Prashant.
also just got married.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So anyway, okay, I have something interesting to ask you. What do you value more, being loved or being understood?
Are the two different?
I believe so.
Yeah.
I think being loved. Because also if I love somebody, even though I don't understand everything, I'll still love them because they're different from me. And I would expect that from my partner as well. It's a little far of a reach to expect कि आप सामने वाले को पूरा ही समझ जाओगे.
That's true.
You know, it's not possible. I mean, I don't think, I mean, हम अब इतने सालों से साथ हैं. All my friends, my best friend was the audacity to live in San Francisco.
Oh,
The guts.
seriously.
वो मेरे से 1 साल बड़ा है और उसके पेरेंट्स मेरे पेरेंट्स कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स हैं. So he was the friend given to me and he's been my best friend all my life. I'm 33, he's 34. We've been friends all my life. I don't know a life where he doesn't exist. But there are still times when he'll tell me something and I'll be like, okay, I don't get it, but okay, I believe you. I support you in that because I love you. I think it's a little too much to explain. I also think that everything should not be explained. It's okay to have some bits of yourself for yourself.
Yeah, that's true.
That I agree with.
Yeah.
That's very yeah.
So I'd like to
Very
be
layered,
loved,
very interesting.
irrespective of my problem.
I think that is the true definition of love.
Yeah.
Being loved and being accepted for who
Accepted,
you
yeah,
are,
yeah.
even
So
for the parts that are
Yeah,
mystical.
yeah, which you might not understand, and
Yeah.
that's okay.
Yeah. Who understands you the most? Who would you say understands you the most?
You know, if there's one area of my life that I've lucked out in, it's my people and it's my circle that has remained the same for decades now. So, like I said, Nishant, who's my best friend, my parents, Barkha Didi, वो मेरे actually मम्मा के cousin मामा की बेटी हैं. So, बहुत दूर का है relationship, पर हम बचपन से बड़े close रहे हैं. So, she's like my elder sibling. वो हैं. I have had the pleasure of actually making lovely friends even after I started working. There's Mithila, there's Mansi, all these people that I've had around me. I think so. It's like that is why I said that I think different people understand different things.
Different versions and
yeah,
parts
different
of you.
versions of. I just feel very happy and cushioned to have this circle around me.
And that works also, right? To have a group of people and every person understands a different side of you. And
Yeah.
that works. That just
Yeah.
fits beautifully.
Yeah, so I've to fully lucked out in that area.
How often do you speak with your best friend?
Not very often, actually. The time difference is weird, so we rarely ever chat. But when we do, it's one of those long FaceTime calls.
1 or 2 hours.
Yeah. But again, that's what I'm saying. Like, I get to work with some of the people that I'm so close to. Like Mansi, who's so close to me. She does my hair and makeup. So now that we're shooting Mismatch, we're practically living together. And I love that. So yeah, as often as I can.
And what kind of a friend are you? Are you the kind of a friend who would who would paraphrase conversations? For example, when I call Radhika at night, a lot of times I'm telling her that, okay, this is what he said and this is what I said and this is what they said and I'm paraphrasing everything. And Radhika is the kind who will screenshot everything and send me as is. And you read what is meant to
Saves
be read.
time, gives the clear
That is
picture.
actually very efficient.
Yeah.
And gives the clear picture. Sadhika is that, she's sly about things sometimes. She's like, नहीं, ये directly तो नहीं इसको बता सकती. थोड़ा अगर मुझे smooth करना है वो उसका blow, तो मैं अपने तरीके से बताऊंगी.
Mold करके बताती हूँ. I push it and tell her.
I
So
also do screenshots.
Screenshots.
But I think my process is I should do just the screenshots now क्योंकि मैं screenshot भेजती हूँ फिर मैं phone करके सारी कहानी भी सुनाती हूँ.
oh, अच्छा.
तो ये थोड़ा lengthy है process. Maybe I should just shut up at the screenshots. But that's good. I think I'll everything. Look.
ठीक
And
है, as
you-
is.
As is, yeah.
And do you prefer text or voice notes?
For my best friends, I prefer FaceTime.
Ah,
Yeah.
ठीक है.
But otherwise in life, voice notes.
Yeah.
See, voice notes are better. Sadhika somehow hates voice notes.
Why?
She's like,
It's so much
Because
more
it's-
efficient. आप
exactly.
1.5x, 2x पे play कर सकते हो.
But when you're not sitting with your earphones or AirPods and then you're sitting in a crowd, then you know that you have a voice note sitting in your chat. You don't know what
But
it
you can
says,
do
but you're
this.
curious.
And listen to it.
But it
see,
No, it doesn't.
it doesn't.
It's the most efficient thing, dude.
Okay.
और आप reply भी कर सकते हो. Like I could reply to a voice note while I'm looking at you right now.
Yeah, that is
exactly. And I feel in your 30s, the one thing that really gives me the ick is long messages. Like, cannot write
I
long
do
messages.
Long messages and वो भी नहीं कर सकती मैं कि hey, hi, listen,
हाँ.
I
एक
wanted
message.
to. I'm like, to
10
the
notifications
point.
at
What
once.
is it? What is it? Like, tell me in one quick
Yeah.
message so I can quickly respond. I also hate it when, like, listen, now can we, let me know whenever you have time. I just wanted to talk.
Yeah. Tell me
ऐसा
exactly.
अगर ये पढ़ने का मैं है मेरे पास टाइम तो बता दे फिर क्या है तूने मेरे को पर्सनली भेजा आई डोंट लाइक इट when people do that.
Yeah, you know, to be honest, if it were up to me, I would opt for telepathy because at this point, I don't want to
Immediately.
receive calls. Immediately, you just know. You look at each other, you just know. There's nothing to read or to reply.
Yeah. I like फटाफट get to the point and finish it.
Okay, so we have a little game for you. Okay. It's called Who Are You Calling For?
Okay.
Okay, so we'll give you certain situations
Yeah.
and you have to tell us which friend are you calling for
So
that
and so
particular
situation.
situation.
Copy.
Yeah,
Go
okay. To bail you out of jail.
I'm calling Barkha Didi. My sister. She would bail me out of any jail.
Oh,
Nice.
that's sweet.
Actually, also Baba.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He won't scold you?
Oh no.
No?
I'm very spoiled. with
He
my
doesn't look
parents.
it.
Spoiled in the sense I'm very encouraged for every madness. So which is what Mama also gets very annoyed sometimes. Mama is like, किसी के लिए तो हमारा Baba says he's like you should try everything. And I don't mean that about like drugs and shit.
Yeah.
But I'm saying just like in general life experiences, I think you should try everything. I also don't mean that about jail. It's just hypothetical.
It does look like that you have very chill parents.
I
Like,
do,
of course,
that's
you're
what-
supportive, which is why, you know, you
Yeah.
are where you are and you opted for the career that you did. But,
Yeah.
you know, they're chill also, right?
Super chill. And I love being the age that I am because right now at this age, it's like I was just talking about this earlier today. It was like I was living with roomies. Like it wasn't like I'm living with my parents till I moved out last year. And the one thing that I haven't been able to deal with ever since I got married is I was expecting the separation anxiety, but I didn't expect the guilt.
Hey.
It's so weird. Like I'm always guilty that I'm not with them, and I'm not with them when they're eating, and I'm not in the room next to them when they're falling asleep. Like it's just so weird. But turns out it gets better. So waiting for that.
Wow.
And I think single children would relate more because I'm also a single child.
Right.
It's like because you've left them completely alone,
है ना?
right? So it's like their world is empty now.
हाँ तो वो बड़ा अजीब सा लगता है मेरे को, and I didn't expect it to be guilt. But it is, and it took me a while to recognize that also. Okay, oh my God, I've been guilty this whole time. So every time I go there, which is so weird to say my parents' house,
Yeah.
because till about 16 months ago it was my
My
house.
house.
So when I go to them, I miss this house, and when I'm here, I'm constantly missing that house. So I always feel like I'm so displaced. Like I
Yeah.
don't know which is home.
Yeah.
Give
You know,
it time maybe.
Yeah, I
you know,
think
might get better.
time's
Yeah.
gonna do
It reminds me of this one experience that a lot of people who move out of the home city that they grew up in
Yeah.
feel that, you know, after a while, if they've spent like 5 years, for example, a Delhiite has moved to Bombay, after 5 years, they don't feel like Delhi's home, but they also don't feel like Bombay's home. So they're sort of, you know,
Just
beach
displaced,
में.
कि पता नहीं कहाँ के
It
हैं.
reminds me of that emotion.
Yeah. And I never lived away from my parents. Like I didn't go away to study. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अगर मैं शूट के लिए कहीं चली जाती थी महीना
कुछ
2 महीना तो
दिनों
बस
की.
वही था.
Yeah.
Otherwise I've lived at home all for 31 years I was home. No, I'm not.
Wow. Nuanced perspectives. I wasn't expecting, but
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Good to know. Okay, who are you calling for a career crisis?
I will call Mansi or Mithila for
Yeah.
a career crisis.
They give great advice.
Yeah, honest advice. Yeah, very, very honest.
Do you prefer the kind of advice which is honest or which is soothing to your soul in the moment and then you'll figure your shit out?
No, I like it to be honest. I'm also like, I'm an overthinker. I'll spiral down. So if you soothe my soul, then I'm going to spiral down the wrong path and it's never going to help me. I also like ripping the band-aid off. So I'm like, बता दो. अभी
Yes.
बता दो. मैं वही कह रही थी ना
हाँ,
कि
हाँ,
इसको elongate ही मत करो. क्या issue है अभी बता दो. क्या
फटाफट कर लो.
problem है अभी बता दो. अभी खत्म कर दो so that I can work on it and we'll fix it.
Correct. This I relate to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I also cannot deal with an elongated
हाँ.
stress or stretch of
Yeah.
anxiety. I'm like, fadafat, let's get over it.
हाँ कर दो so that, and I feel like after all these years I've put those processes in place also for myself कि मुझे समझ में आ रहा था कि ठीक है कर सकते हैं हर चीज़ से डील हो जाएगा. So I'd much rather immediately get to it.
Fair.
Who do you go to if you had relationship trouble?
I think I'll go to Nishu or I'll go to Mansi.
Okay.
Oh.
Mansi apparently is somebody you're very tight with.
Mithila also I'll go to. एक तो वही है ना कि
She make a WhatsApp group. सारे I'm sending the Zoom link.
नहीं मतलब ये ऐसा एक बहुत टाइट ग्रुप है यार. मतलब ऐसा होता है कि जैसे I don't know if this happens with y'all. कि like मैंने मानसी से बात कर ली and then Mansi, me and Mithila have met. And then I'll say, oh, yeah, that happened. And then I'll tell Mithila. And if it's a relationship problem, I won't tell Vishang. But otherwise also, like, if it's a thing that has happened and Mith and Mao have come home, and Vishang will be like, what is that? And I'll be like, oh yeah, I forgot it.
Yeah.
So it's just...
It happens with us as well, yeah.
तो ऐसा मतलब मैं सबको बता दूंगी. जो मुझसे प्यार से पूछेगा कि how is everything going, मैं उनको बता दूंगी.
It reminds me of that meme के थोड़ा सा पूछने पे सब बता देती हूँ मैं कहीं ChatGPT तो नहीं.
No, that is also something I've had to work on. I've gotten in a lot of trouble with oversharing.
I said this for myself, in fact, because I'm also an oversharer. So it's like if I don't open up, I don't open up. But so I'm wondering if you're the same, like but if
like
somebody
Ankush
asks
and I,
nicely.
that had happened.
Yeah.
हम पहली बार मिले थे दिल्ली में और हमने अपने दिल के रोहित के साथ भी वही हुआ. सारे राज बता सब कुछ बता दिया और immediate regret था उसके बाद क्या
जैसे ही conversation खत्म हुई shit
कि ये बताना था क्या वो बताना था क्या. So in my head I'm thinking इसने उसको बताया तो उसने किसी ने किसी को बताया नहीं. And now
that
we're
happens.
friends.
Yeah.
But yeah, that has been a problem.
Yeah, especially because if you don't know the person well enough, then you don't know what they'll be thinking about you or where this information is going to go. So there's a lot of regret.
Yeah.
I agree.
But
But
I've gotten
Radhika
better at that now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
that
think
is
it's a
something.
skill you need to work on, right?
Yeah.
No, correct.
Rather a fault, but eventually skill बन जाती है ना फिर. Then you know okay what to
और
keep, what to give away.
self-preservation भी थोड़ा सा करना
Correct.
पड़ता है. मुझे
मैंने
लगता
तो
है
friend preservation भी करने की कोशिश करी है. There are so many times when
You
both
have
of
to
us,
hold her back?
Yeah, and I tell her that listen, before sitting in the car, for example, we're going out for dinner with a friend, and I just tell her that listen, you told me that you weren't comfortable talking about this. Maybe after a couple of drinks, you'll feel like you're comfortable. So just a reminder that you didn't want to share this part. She's like, okay. We get out of the car. The guy asks a question, and the drinks haven't even started because we haven't, and she's already started spilling. And I'm looking at Radhika, I'm like 2 minutes.
अभी बात हुई है.
Yeah, exactly. It's like, उसने पूछा तो मैंने बता दिया ना. Like, okay, ठीक है.
But see now that reason also how to
Fight her instinct.
fight that.
Yeah.
But
But नहीं, I
get
think
it.
वो करना पड़ता है.
हाँ, वो
Eventually
थोड़ा
करना
effort
पड़ता
लगता है.
हाँ. I'm trying to get there.
Yeah, you'll get there.
Yeah, you've done it now. I know. Okay, ठीक है.
I mean, I've done it like twice. I don't know if what happens after 2 drinks now. I'll have to figure that.
Yeah,
Fair.
true. Girls' night out पे किसके साथ जाओगे? Who are you calling for?
Mansi Mithila. Bushra can come. Bushra will be here. I think Vishang will also be there only.
Oh, honorary girl.
Honorary girl. वैसे Taruk is also an honorary girl.
He's
for
very
me.
sweet, actually.
He's very
Yeah.
cute. I love Taruk. And he's very chill. We have had girls' night where we have watched a Cinderella story. We watched what was the Lizzie McGuire movie?
Hey,
He's a full
Yeah.
He's sweet.
Yeah, he's sweet.
And so is Rohit.
Rohit's also cute.
Yeah.
Rohit also can come. Everybody.
Everybody can.
Girls' night is everyone.
Okay, lovely. We were watching one of your interviews before we came for this one. We were prepping and we were researching, and you happened to mention that you've read 250 books last year, and
In the last 2-3 years.
in the last 2-3 years.
Yeah, I think I
That's
started reading romances in the December of 23. So 3 years almost. 2.5
Okay,
years, yeah.
nice. What age were you when you actually fell into this, habit of reading, and when you discovered what reading is like and what it feels like?
No, I started reading very, very early, and a lot of that credit goes to Nishant also, because he used to read a lot. And then he would make me read everything he's reading so we could chat. So he would buy the book, and वो ना एक रात में एक novel खत्म कर देता था.
Wow.
He was mad like that. तो वो as soon as he would finish reading a book, I would read that book. So उसके वजह से everything, all the famous fives, Hardy Boys, Secret Sevens, Nancy Drews, all of those I read because of him. Harry Potter I started reading because of him. So I've always been a reader. I've always enjoyed it. I've also always enjoyed being by myself. And I'm not very artistic with like drawing and art and craft. So reading and writing, I used to journal a lot. These were the only 2 things I did by myself. उसके बाद all through I think college में थोड़ा कम हो गया था मेरा पढ़ना, but after college again I picked up, I think Murakami's first book was picked up when I was interning at the radio station, and then I'm also what is the word for it? I hyperfixate
Okay.
on one thing.
Yeah.
So जब I started reading Murakami, I only read Murakami for many years. Then when I picked up Chitra Banerjee's books, I only read that. When I picked up mythological fiction, I only read that for so long. When I picked up biographies, I only read that. So it was that till मैं दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट पे थी और my Kindle was dead and I couldn't charge it. So I picked up this book by Amy Leah called Set on You. It looked like a very innocent cover. And I'd never picked up a romance book. Like I didn't have that whole Mills and Boons stage.
That phase you
वो
never
कभी
had.
आया नहीं क्योंकि school में भी I didn't know anybody who read those books. So college में भी I didn't know.
And librarian उस time पे तो would frown upon you picking Mills and Boons out of the library.
Library, but I never went to the library in college. I used to do theatre, so I was always in the like I was always in the rehearsal hall. So I picked that book up कि चलो ठीक है, looks fun, whatever. And about like a few pages in, like the first sex scene came up and I was like, what? मतलब मेरी दुनिया ही it tilted on its axis a little bit. मैंने कहा ये तो कोई भी उठा सकता था यार, ये कोई भी बच्चा उठा सकता था, कोई भी पढ़ सकता था. And then I kept reading and first I was so for a lack of a better word ashamed कि ये मैं क्या पढ़ रही हूँ. For the first few books, मतलब मैं मेरे Kindle का वो brightness कम कर देती थी, font कम कर देती थी. If I'm sitting in a flight, कि किसी को पता ना चल जाए, then I'm reading. What am I reading? But slowly and steadily, I started enjoying it so much, and it opened up all these ideas of what love and companionship and sex and pleasure can mean, especially to women. Because most of these novels are written by women and they are so unabashed, they are so honest. Matlab, nothing is left for the imagination.
They will tell you everything.
Every
last
single detail is put on paper, and I started really enjoying the side of reading that I was on at that time. And then I never stopped. Abhi I keep like every now and then I'll read a thriller, I'll read a murder mystery. But I keep going back to the romances.
Wow. So I've never read romance. I'm a non-fiction person. So recommend one book that I should read.
First ever romance book?
Yeah, to get her into the habit maybe.
I think your first book should be... Do you like fantasy?
Yeah.
She likes fantasizing, if it counts.
No, that is a very important part of the whole romance book experience. Okay, pick up Twisted Love by Anna
Anna
Huang.
Huang, yes.
It's a 4-part series. And once you're through with that, pick up the book I Wrote.
Hey.
That's also a romance fiction novel. But I don't think that should be a first. I think you should definitely read it between two.
Okay.
Like I feel like my books, or you can read it between two
I love the honesty.
non-fiction books.
Yeah.
I feel like mine is it's a fun palate cleanser. It's very snacky. It's a breezy read. I love it. It's fun. But if it has to be your first romance book, I think you should pick up Ma'am's book. I think you should pick up Anna Huang's Twisted Love.
You know, there is so much to love about you as a person and as a personality that you've become. But one thing that really makes me feel very drawn to you is your habit of reading. I've been an avid reader myself.
So you read romance?
I love
I
reading
love the
romance.
reaction you gave to Twisted Love, so I get it.
I love reading romance, and I haven't found a lot of people around me who read fiction as much.
Yeah.
Because I see a lot of people who are into philosophy, as am I, but they prefer non-fiction, they prefer self-help. Very few people around me, they read fiction. And whenever I'm, looking at your content and you're recommending a book, I'm always putting it on my to-do list.
Yeah.
Ki, "Acha, theek hai, this will be my September.
Yeah.
What
What are you reading right now?
Right now I've ordered, it's called The Will to Change by Bell Hooks.
Okay.
So Bell Hooks, like, she's a phenomenal writer. I
Okay.
think, but it's about man masculinity and how patriarchy has suppressed their idea of love.
Got it.
So it's research right now.
Got it.
But I was reading this really erotic
Smutty.
thriller, Smut. It's by H.D. Carlton.
Oh my God!
So
Brother, were you reading Does It Hurt? Or were you reading Haunting Adeline?
I read Haunting Adeline and then Hunting Adeline, so I
Yeah,
finished
yeah.
that, and it really blew me because I was like, what am I even reading? Is it
yes.
legal?
We must talk about it.
We
Yes.
must. And it did not feel legal to read it.
Yeah, yeah.
You know?
मेरे
But
को डर
right now I'm reading Does It Hurt?
Does It Hurt?
Yeah.
So it's a horror erotica.
Yes. Yes.
H.D. Carlton is not for the weak.
Oh God.
Just to tell you, so she is a dark romance writer. And dark matlab andhera.
Yeah.
Not a speck of light on the spectrum. It is ridiculous. It's not for me. I mean, I read Haunting Adeline. I started with Does It Hurt?
Oh.
क्योंकि it came so highly recommended to
Yes,
me on Instagram.
yes,
मतलब
yes.
हर कोई मुझसे बोल रहा है. Plus Kindle पे कुछ 5-5.5 लाख उसको रिव्यूज
Reads और
हैं,
हाँ.
वो हैं. तो मैंने कहा यार ये तो पढ़ना चाहिए. And I'd not known of her before that.
Yeah.
I read it and then I read Haunting बड़ा टाइम बाद. Pradita, no, if you didn't like Does It Hurt, you'll love Haunting Adeline. It's a stalker romance.
Oh my God.
And I read that and I was just like, brother, I mean, full respect to her because she has a huge kind of like fan following
Yeah.
because clearly there's a huge part of this world that loves. And sure, I think that's the good thing about books that there's something for everybody. It's not for me.
Yeah. No, I completely get it. I remember
Where
I
in
was.
Does It Hurt are you?
I am at the part where they're stuck at the island.
Or they've reached there.
They've reached the island. They're stuck at the island,
They're
and
in
now
the tower.
now the guy has locked
Her.
her, and the other one is trying to they're trying to figure a way out of it. So
How dark is dark romance? Like, describe.
In Does It Hurt? I'll give this example only.
I'm scared.
I'll tell you about Haunting Adeline. first.
Haunting
It's a-
Adeline, you can maybe
Yeah,
tell her about.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you okay?
That's how dark
For
it
somebody
goes.
who's very vanilla, this was.
Yeah, but it's not for me also.
Yeah.
So dark can be whatever. Like it's
The limits are. I mean, there are no limits. That is the thing. There are no
Sharp
limits.
thing was like.
And I remember I was telling somebody I was reading something, and they're like, "Okay, what's the plot and everything?" So I told Haunting Adeline wala, and they're like, "Are you reading? Just
Are you
put it."
okay?
Yeah,
और पता है
exactly.
उसके ना उन books के ऊपर trigger warnings होते हैं
हाँ,
पहले page पे.
हाँ.
You know
Not
it's
for the
really,
faint-hearted.
You know it's really dark when the trigger warning page goes for a page and a half. कि ये है, ये है, ये है, ये
Correct.
है, ये है, ये है, self harm है.
Correct.
ये
I
है,
have a
वो
question
है.
each for both of you.
हाँ.
Why? What about dark romance interests you, and why do you not like dark romance?
You say first.
So what interests me, I think it's first of all, I always get drawn to a way of writing. I read a lot in terms of okay, this is how maybe I'll pick it up when I probably write
Yeah.
something of my
Yeah.
own. So I love the way that how you can pen down complicated emotions in such a way that it still somehow, despite feeling
Acceptable.
morally wrong, feels acceptable and
yeah.
palatable.
Yeah.
So I think that art and that
Yeah.
is just creative art
Yeah.
for me. So I think I love that.
Yeah.
Also, it helps me. I don't know. It challenges my mind.
Yeah.
I
Fair.
think. So that in that sort of a space, I like.
Yeah, in
it.
dark romances, there are so many things that seem so normal
Yeah.
when you read them till you take a step back and you're like, oh, that's not normal.
Yes.
Like in mafia romances, कि हाँ मतलब he looked at my girlfriend, so I killed him. That's not normal.
Yeah.
But the way it is written, like she said.
True.
And then again, I feel like the relationship between you and your book is so personal.
Yeah.
It has nothing to do with anybody
Yeah.
else and what the world stands for. You
True.
can read whatever you want to and it could make sense to you. It doesn't work for me because I think similar to what you said, I am very, I visualize everything. And to me, after a long day, I also think, I don't know how to say this, but you know how sometimes your thoughts have colors? So I don't like to have dark blues and browns and blacks and grays and silvers and whites when I'm reading. I like the yellows and the pinks and the brighter, like, the purples and the lilacs. Like, I like to be in the oranges. I like to be in that zone when I'm reading. I don't know how
Got
else
it.
to explain it. And the dark romance always falls in this other grayscale that I don't.
Correct.
That's a nice explanation.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
One last question about books.
Okay.
You got Vidya Balan
Yes.
back into the habit of reading by
Yeah.
recommending Norwegian Wood to her.
Yes.
Right? If you had to get a beginner
Yeah.
into the habit of reading, what book are you recommending?
I'd say pick up comics.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so easy. Pick up Archie's, pick up Tinkle, pick up Champak.
Oh.
And it doesn't matter
I
how
loved
old
it during
you are.
school. Yeah.
Champak was fun.
Yeah, pick up anything. Honestly, pick up short stories. The 50 short stories by Ruskin Bond. No, Ruskin Bond wala is, but the 50 best short stories is a book. Then Ruskin Bond has a collection of short stories. I think the thing with reading, more than the act of it, is the commitment to it. क्योंकि हमको ये हमेशा लगता है कि इतनी मोटी किताब नहीं, इतने सारे वो इतना छोटा फॉन्ट नहीं. So I feel like the climb feels steeper than it actually is.
Yeah.
And I also don't think we were ever taught that there is no race to finish a book. You could start, there are books I've started years ago
Still
and
going on.
never finished.
Yeah.
Or there were books that I started yesterday and finished today. It's never the same experience. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि we put too much pressure on books. So start small. Even if you pick up a book, like pick up Paulo Coelho, it's 150 pages. And tell yourself you'll read one page every day. Even if you do that, it's easy.
Yeah. Alchemist is by
Alchemist is 150, 180
Yeah.
pages.
I love that book.
I love that book.
So nice. It's like, I feel my personal interpretation of The Alchemist is that every time you read that book, there's a different,
really?
different emotion that you leave
मैंने
the book
actually वो
with.
एक बार से ज़्यादा पढ़ी नहीं
अच्छा,
है. Maybe I
okay.
should read it one more time.
Yeah.
Maybe you'll have a different takeaway.
Maybe. The only book I've read more than once is The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. I think that one I keep revisiting every now and then.
Yeah. Oh,
Have
makes
you
sense.
read the Palace of Illusions,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
You have?
I've read everything.
It's
by
it's
Chitra
on my
Banerjee.
list.
Yeah.
I've heard so
I want
much
to sit
about
at
it.
her feet. She's so good. Oh my god, I cried like a baby at the end of The Last Queen. Have you read The Last Queen?
No, we haven't yet.
Please read The Last Queen. I have cried. I was sitting in my living room and I've cried. Oh my gosh.
I'll put it on my list.
Please do. Please
Yeah.
read it.
You know, I was watching another one of your videos and उसमें आप बता रहे थे कि Bruges is your most favorite city. So, you know, and we know all about
Outside of
Bruges now,
India.
outside of
Yeah.
India. So, let's talk about your second most favorite city. Which
In India?
city?
Or outside of India?
Outside of India. And then in India also. One of each.
Outside of India, other than Bruges, at the foothills, or actually so Geneva, say आप bus लेके you can cross over to France at the foothill of Mont Blanc. There's a small village called Chamonix where Frankenstein is written. It's written in Geneva, but it's based in Chamonix. Like Chamonix comes up in the book.
Correct.
When Mary Shelley is the author, of Frankenstein. So she wrote about that town. I was with my parents and I ended up going there and we just did a day trip. But I fell in love with that town. It's like a little toy town, dude. Like, एक fire station, एक school, एक grocery store, 3 coffee shops, 2 restaurants, and there's this वो उस glacier से पानी melt होके उस गांव के बीच में से बहता है. So there's that sound of water always everywhere you go.
Oh my God.
And
It's
I'll
like a
never forget
wallpaper.
that. It is like a wallpaper with sound. It was so good. I think that'd be number 2. And in India, मुझे जयपुर बहुत पसंद है. मैं बहुत खुश होती हूँ हर बारी जयपुर जाके. And I have been to Imphal
Okay.
and I loved it.
Yeah?
Yeah, इम्फाल में वहाँ पे वेजिटेशन ना, वो जो लेक लोकटक लेक है, वहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा लेक है. मतलब आप फ्लाइट से उसको देख लोगे, इतना बड़ा लेक मैंने कभी नहीं देखा है. उसके ऊपर द वेजिटेशन इज सो थिक कि उसके ऊपर गांव रहते हैं. Like there's a school, there's a community hall, there's people who like, it's so thick.
Damn.
Like you can jump on that, but it's just plants. Like it's floating plants.
That's magical.
It's magical.
Yeah.
If you can, please go to Imphal. Also, food is great. If you like fish,
Recommend
if you
a couple of things from Impal.
Then you don't go.
you don't eat fish.
I'm a vegetarian.
You're a vegetarian. I mean, Imphal, I ate a lot of fish in Imphal, dude. But Rajasthan, me vegetarian. I'm not a vegetarian.
It's okay. You can watch
It's
me
okay.
eat.
I'll watch you read. Recommend.
पराठे बहुत अच्छे हैं वहाँ पे.
Impal में?
हमारे यहाँ ब्रेकफास्ट में हम किसी के यहाँ गए थे, उन्होंने पराठे बनाए थे. They were very very good.
अरे ये तो पंजाबियों की चीज थी यार, ये भी ले ली
It was
उन्होंने.
very good. मतलब कोई अलग टाइप का, it was like a pancake. मतलब ऐसा mixed था. But it was really nice. I don't know what it's called.
Are you a foodie?
Yeah, fully.
Yeah.
Love it. Love it.
कहाँ का क्या अच्छा लगता है आपको?
some Prajakta Kohli recommendations. Let's do
God.
food
जैसे for
recommendations.
example, Netherlands में वो जो छोटे वाले, they're called something else, but वो जो छोटे वाले pancakes होते हैं एकदम छोटे छोटे, they're like really really good. They're called
Yeah.
something else, but it's
I
like
know.
pancake batter only, but
I have
this
not.
small.
हाँ, वो एक के ऊपर एक stick पे लगा के जो देते हैं.
हाँ. So
Yeah, that was
something
nice.
like that.
मेरे साथ ना दिक्कत ये हो गई है कि I've learned that I'm intolerant to maida.
Oh.
And every nice, beautiful thing in the world has maida.
Yeah.
Correct.
So that has made life a little less fun. But I'll still, India में,
Bombay में भी कर सकते हैं.
okay, Bombay करते हैं.
हाँ.
Because it's too vast,
Correct.
wide, there's too many things. बॉम्बे में अगर आप मुलुंड जाओगे, मुलुंड में देयर इज एकवीरा वड़ा पाव. प्लीज गो एंड ईट एकवीरा. आई लव वड़ा पाव फ्रॉम देयर. In Thane, at Thane station on the east side, you get really good paya pav, keema pav, omelette pav, dal, pakwan, Chinese bhel.
Ooh.
That's good. I would go to Chaitanya in Dadar for fish thalis, or Hemant Snacks in Thane for fish thalis. Mutton, where's mutton good at? Mutton तो मेरे घर पे ही best है.
Love that answer.
I don't think I've eaten better mutton than what Mama makes ever. For desi Chinese food, I have a lot of Thane recommendations. If you're in Thane, I always call from Shantanu, which is good. यहाँ पे हम the facing east से मंगाते हैं जुहू के पास. Oh, while you're here, so you're based in Delhi and you visit
Yes,
for work.
yes.
Do you like desi Chinese?
Oh, love it.
But यार तुम्हारे यहाँ better मिलता है.
हाँ,
दिल्ली में खाना better मिलता है, but फिर भी Bombay का also we would want to eat
हाँ,
something.
we can try.
Try facing east. It's quite fun.
ठीक
है.
Yeah. I love Blue's Kitchen by Loima. They have the best katsu curry, good sushi. So much food.
You can open like your own little restaurant
There's
with,
this
you know.
couple जिन्होंने थाने में क्लाउड किचन शुरू किया है. I'd like to give them a shout out. Their name is their handle is called Nepali Tales.
Okay.
It's the best momo I've eaten in India.
In India?
Yeah, because Rishank's from Nepal, so obviously we go to Nepal and eat the most amazing
Tastiest.
momo. But here on this side of the border, and of all the places that I've been to, and everywhere we go, we try to have momo, is the best momo.
Oh.
और वो वी फास्ट भी कराते हैं, वो पहुंचा भी देंगे आपको जहाँ पे भी आप हो वहाँ पे मुंबई में.
चलो,
We're
you're
going
sorted.
there because I'm like a complete momo lover.
She's a momo puglu.
Yeah, please order up. Where are you staying?
We're staying in Andheri,
Andheri.
near the
Okay,
airport.
see
Yeah.
if you can tomorrow. Are you here tomorrow?
Yes. Yeah.
So tomorrow morning, I think वो कोई टाइम होता है जब वो ऑर्डर लेते हैं. उनका एक बार I'll send you the page.
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
Order it and get it delivered. ठंडा आएगा, कोई बात नहीं, गरम करके खा लो.
ठीक है.
It's very good. Himalayan Yeti is good for momo. That's in Khar. You can call from there also. Cape Chaki momo is good for momo. And if you're ordering from Nepali Tales, also call for this dish called shabale.
Shabale.
Yeah, it's like in Marathi we call it a karanji, like a gujia,
Ooh.
but filled with meat or veg or whatever.
Okay. Nice. She's gotten us excited and hungry both. So now I'm just thinking about food. But you know, one question that anybody who asks us to get Prajakta Kohli on this podcast also is a mismatched paglu.
Yes.
So, you know, I would like to ask you, do you have like a little cute, sweet message or an anecdote or a story for the Dimpshi fans that are out there and they keep shipping Dimple and Rishi together?
All I have to say is, dude, honestly, for me, it's so heartwarming when I'm walking and someone calls me Dimple and I turn. There are
And you
so
turn.
many times at the airport and I'm like, Dimple, and I'll turn. That's how special she is to me. Rohit and I, we were flying to Jaipur right now together, and just the kind of love in general. I mean, there's no way I can put it into words to tell you what this means to us. We are shooting season 4. जब हमने शुरू किया था, we had not even thought of season 2. मतलब हमें season 1 में मजे आ गए थे, but ये कभी हमने सोचा नहीं था that this would be a character I would play for 7-8 years.
Yeah.
I would keep going on, be such an important part of my journey. So I'm just so grateful. I don't know how else to put into words what everybody who loves the show and us means to us. You know, I don't think I can ever put into words. I'm just really grateful, and I'm so glad. I would have so much FOMO if I didn't crack this audition.
No, I think you were perfectly cast for this
I'm
role.
so glad. Thank
And
you.
You guys are shooting season 4 right now.
We are shooting.
Yeah.
season
Have there
4.
been crazy BTS moments a story. Do you guys prank each other because the cast is so young? You guys are friends. Everybody is
But
so.
now that is also, we've been friends for 7 years.
fair.
So abhi kya?
कोई
We
new
nap
entry को.
with each other. Like every now and then we're like, what are you doing? "Hey, I have time. Okay, I'm coming. We'll nap. So we nap, we eat.
It's so sweet that all of you have such a great,
Bond.
Yeah,
bond.
touch wood.
Yeah.
Like last time we were in Bombay, we shot with Esas,
Yeah.
and she
Yeah.
spoke so dearly about you.
She's
like,
amazing.
very
She's
sweet.
lovely. I somehow never have a lot to shoot with her.
Yeah.
This season actually we have
Okay.
something really fun to shoot, so I'm looking forward to
Nice.
that. वो अभी तक हुआ नहीं है, it'll be fun.
Yeah.
But no, yaar, everyone is lovely. I also think we all kind of, in some way or the other, started off together with Mismatched. तो वो collective kind of bonding वैसी रही है शुरुआत से. So I think it's beautiful and I love every one of them so much.
I think you guys have grown up together.
Yeah,
also.
We have. I mean, I'm now
Yeah.
7th year of us
Wow. Yeah.
shooting this. So,
So cute.
every day that passes, it makes me excited that, oh, okay, I'm one day closer to the show releasing, but I'm also one day closer to the shoot finishing, and then I'll probably never be able to be Dimple again, which
Yeah.
is just, I don't know how to be that. But I guess we'll deal with it.
Such a
yeah.
bittersweet feeling, no?
It is so bittersweet, dude. मतलब मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि every season we've ended ना, we have always ended on, मतलब आंसू होते थे, we used to hug, we used to tell each other कि okay, we'll miss you, I'll see you. But हमेशा ये होता था कि चल एक और season है, चल एक और season है, हो ही जाएगा, हो ही जाएगा. इस बार ये announce ही कर दिया Netflix ने final season, तो I'm just like, oh, I guess not more than this.
Fans must be
Heartbroken.
All I can say is कि इतना प्यार दे दो इसको कि Netflix is like चलो एक और बना देते हैं.
हाँ ये हो सकता है.
ये कर दो,
ये कर
please,
सकते
हम
हैं.
सारे ही खुश रहेंगे.
हाँ.
प्राजक्ता, आपने इतना कुछ किया है, मिसमैच किया है और इतने सारे एक्टिंग गिग्स किए. You've written a book. You're writing another one, I
I am
believe.
working on it, yeah.
Yeah. And you've been creating content for like 11 years. So, itna kuch 24 घंटे में. Like, you know, we all have the same 24 hours. I think 80% of the people would not be able to get even half of this done. How do you manage to do so much in just 24 hours?
I really like my job. I love waking up every day and going to work. I love creating content. I love storytelling. I love the thrill of, again, the lack of monotony where not every day is the other. I also love money. I like it. I like earning money and I like spending money and I have big dreams that need big money. And I think a lot of this together, I think I also have lucked out with having a team around me that is so good at what they do. कि आधा मेरा काम, like right now I'm in a writing room and I'm working with these ridiculously talented writers and that makes my life so much easier. Like I can collaborate with them and it makes it, मतलब अगर मैं ये अकेली कर रही होती तो मेरे लिए कितना और ज़्यादा time लगता. So I think at every step, the fact that I've, again, like I said, I've lucked out with people in my life. Every step that I've taken. I mean, even with something like Mismatch, it would be such a boring, unhappy experience for me if we hadn't all gotten along. But I just happened to be with these lovely, lovely people that I look forward to. Like, everybody's shooting in Jodhpur right now. Taruk goes today, and I'm so... there's so much FOMO. No. I'm just like, सारे वहाँ हैं, मैं नहीं हूँ.
Fair.
मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. So I am actually trying to finish work so I can go one day early and be with them. So I feel like I think the people in my life kind of make it possible for me to even have the guts to say कि मुझे ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है.
But is there any secret sauce to the productivity? You know, being so efficient and getting
I'm
so
not
much done.
efficient.
Yeah, no?
I'm really not. I can be a lot more efficient. I am. I have terrible memory. I keep forgetting things. That is why I need Ronak in my life. Bichari, she has to tell me the same thing so many times. And she's like, you have to do this, you have to do this, you have to do this. I have the memory of a goldfish. Like I said, I hyperfixate. So if I'm thinking about a thing, I'll forget about everything else I have to deliver. I miss deadlines all the time. I am late in delivering work. The only thing I think has worked is consistency in showing up. Sometimes I've showed up badly, but I've still showed up. And I think that did better than not showing up at all.
Yeah.
No, that's brilliant. And you know, you were just mentioning that how you lucked out in life with people.
Yeah.
I think we definitely lucked out with having you on this podcast because it's been such a lovely conversation. That was smooth,
Thank
right?
you. That was very
Yeah.
smooth. Well
Thanks.
done.
Thank you. And
Thank you.
while we're ending this, we always ask our guests to give one piece of advice, but I'd like to change that a little bit. We usually ask the guests to give one piece of advice for all the women who are watching this channel.
Yeah.
But today, because there's so much wisdom that sort of oozes out of you. So now that you've been sitting with us for almost 1 or 2 hours, what is one piece of advice you'd like to give us?
You?
Yeah.
I don't think you need advice.
come on,
brother.
any-
I think
any.
you're fine.
Oh, okay,
I think
then,
you're okay.
then the women want.
All of y'all who haven't figured your life out yet, let me help you. I think as a woman, the only thing that has helped me is that, and I say this out of experience, please never take a decision because of your gender. And what I mean by that is never tell yourself that you can't do this because you're a woman, or you shouldn't do this because you're a woman, or you should do this because you're a woman. And that uncomplicates a lot of things.
Yeah.
I don't think and 100 points to my mama and baba for teaching me that when I was growing up. I have never taken a decision in my life because of my gender. And I think that simplified a lot of things. I also think that gave me a lot of delusional strength to go into places I organically might not have gone into if I'd thought of it as something that, is it even meant for someone like me, or is it even meant for women? And I think that's something that's helped me a lot.
Lovely.
Love the advice.
Yeah.
And very different, This is not the advice we've received on the show ever.
Yeah. What advice have you helped me?
What's I think? No, I think you're fine. You don't need it.
So smooth, both of y'all. So good.
This only happens here in front of, we are very comfortable with the same gender. It may seem
Yeah.
very antithetical to your advice right now, but I'm just generally saying.
No, I mean, it's fine.
Huh.
Yeah, bring a guy in front of me, I'll be like,
We
sorry,
can flirt
no.
with women
So,
like
2
nobody's
years
business.
ago, this happened to me. And then this happened, and then that happened.
Yeah.
But no, thank you so much, Prajakta. You've been a lovely
No,
guest.
but please eat the momo.
Oh, we're gonna.
Okay,
yeah.
done. Nepali tales.
Nepali tales. I'm
Nepali
going to show you I'm going to give them the... Also, everybody watching, if you do end up keeping this in the episode, please support them. I think they're lovely. And they
nice.
make such good momo. Please
will,
order
we
from
will.
them.
We will. We definitely
Yeah.
will.